How to fix Google Play Store download pending problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from Genie Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can fix the download pending problem on your Google Play Store. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are multiple instances whenever you're trying to download a specific application on Google Play Store, instead of just downloading it, most of the times it just gets stuck on pending. Now this happens when your Google Play Store is not being able to connect with your internet connection. So first and foremost thing that you need to do is to simply check whether or not your internet connection is just working fine. So you can try to use other social media apps such as browsing the internet to see if your net is working. If not, also try to simply switch to cellular data and then see if that is the issue. If your internet connection is working just fine, there is also another possible reason, and that is because if you are trying to update multiple apps in the background. For example, after you launch your Google Play Store, then you tap on your profile icon from the top right hand side, and then you go to manage apps and devices. Over here you can see updates available, and 4 is actually pending. Now what this does is that if I tap on the update all button, it is going to install one of these applications one after another, and while the first application is being installed, you'll be able to see the rest of the 3 applications are actually called pending. It is because they are simply waiting for their turn in order to be updated or installed if you're trying to update or download multiple applications at once. So just go and check whether or not you're trying to download multiple applications, because there is really nothing to worry about. The only reason it says pending is because it's simply waiting for its turn to be updated or downloaded. If none of these solutions are working for you, what I would recommend you do is to simply come back to your app drawer and then long press on the Google Play Store app icon over here. Now depending upon your Android versions as well, you'll be able to find the little I button, which is the app info page. When you tap on it, you'll be taken to the app info page of Google Play Store directly, and what I would recommend you do is you simply come to the option called storage, clear the cache files, which means it is going to delete some of the temporary junk files, and then tap on the clear data button as well. If this does not help, if your Google Play Store came with the factory default version, which in most cases it definitely did, you have to tap on the 3 dots from the top right hand side and then try to uninstall the updates. Once you uninstall the updates of your Google Play Store, we are going to go ahead and update our Google Play Store again. And in order to do that, just launch your Google Play Store application and then tap on your Google profile photo again. Now this time it may take some time to load, so tap on your profile photo from the top right, go to the option called settings, and once you go to settings, tap on about, and here you'll find the option called update Play Store. So just tap on it in order to update your Google Play Store to the latest version. And hopefully one of these solutions may have solved your problem. If it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.